Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I am going to show you guys how to make this bomb shrimp boil. This is another 10 out of 10 would recommend type of recipe, so hope you stay tuned to see it. But before I show you guys how it's done, be sure to like if you enjoy, subscribe if you're new, and let's jump right into it. Okay, here's what you need to make today's recipe. I will leave all of the ingredients below in the description box for you guys. But these are the ingredients I'm using: hot sauce, lemon pepper, Old Bay seasoning, crab boil, chicken broth, minced garlic. I'm using chopped onion, lemon juice, unsalted butter. Also, I have the shrimp. I am using a large shrimp for today's recipe. And we have the corn, the potatoes. Also, I'm using some sausage, smoked sausage. You can use andouille sausage if you like. But these are the potatoes I'm using. They're very small. They'll cook super fast because they're tiny. Or you can use the big one, just cut them into small pieces. And this is the sausage, smoked sausage. And for the seasoning, I'm using paprika, cayenne pepper, onion powder, Old Bay seasoning, dry parsley, some dry oregano, chili powder. I will leave all of that below, okay? So first thing I am going to do is boiling my potatoes and corn. I like to season the water with some of the Old Bay seasoning as well as the crab boil. Then we're going to cover it, allow it to boil. Okay, now the potatoes and the corns are nice and tender, as you guys can see, and it's smelling good already. That's why I love making crab boil. The house is just smells so good. As you can see, my potatoes are nice and fork tender, so I'm going to set that on the side while I move on to the sauce. Now, most people struggle when it comes to the seafood sauce. If you're making seafood boil, you need a good sauce, a nice base for your potatoes, your corn, your shrimp to just dance in, right? So I'm going to show you guys the step that I take, the ingredients that I add in there to make it taste delicious every single time I make it. But before I show you guys how I make the sauce, I am going to sear my sausage. It's just give it a nice color and also a nice presentation once the food is ready to be plated. So I'm going to sear the sausage for about 1 minute. Once one side is golden brown, as you can see, I went ahead and flip it over. Then just remove them, set them aside. All right, time to make the sauce. I added a little bit under 2 sticks of butter because I use about 2 tablespoons to cook the sausage. But I am going to allow that to melt. Once it's done melting, I am going to be adding my onions. It's best to chop your onions very fine. Mine were a little too big, but just cut yours finer. And then we're going to let that to cook for about 30 seconds or until translucent. Then we're going to add the minced garlic, cook the garlic for another 30 seconds. Then you can add your seasoning. Now I'm going to add my seasoning. I'm using different varieties of seasoning to make this sauce super flavorful. And also I am going to be adding some hot sauce in there as well. Don't worry, it's not going to be too spicy. Now I am going to be adding some chicken broth. As you guys can see, I didn't use too much of the butter because I like to mix it with chicken broth. Why not? Just diluted the sauce with a little bit of chicken broth. It's better, okay? Use less butter. Now I'm adding the lemon pepper. Also, I squeezed the lemon juice in there. I don't know where that clip went, but it's in there, okay? It's like super tangy with the sourness from the lemon. And then you are going to add your shrimp fried. Not sure if you can see, this is raw shrimp, okay? We're going to cook the shrimp for about 6 minutes, okay? Don't overcook your shrimp. Next, we're going to add in the sausage. Give that a nice stir to mix it in with the sauce. And I keep stirring because I want all of the shrimp to cook thoroughly, so no one gets sick. And yeah, look at that sauce. It's looking saucy. Now I am going to be adding the corn and the potatoes. Ooh, look at those corns. I love corn. If you know me, this is actually one of my second favorite things to eat when I make seafood boil. Give that a stir, of course, to make sure all of the sauce is mixed well with the corn and the potatoes. Ooh, look at that. Now look how super easy this recipe was. Now, why would I pay to eat this when I can make it at home way better and way cheaper? Another 10 out of 10 recipe. Anyways, let me know how you like it. Don't forget to hit this video you're watching right now a thumbs up. Let's get it to 1,000 likes. I know you guys can do it, so please, 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 every single one of you guys, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. That's how other people will be able to see this, because YouTube is just not YouTube is playing me right now and I don't like it. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe if you're new here to see more videos like this one. I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye, loves.